Hi, I'm Katie Hewlett, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my business, Creative Book Folding. Did you know that 320 million books are thrown away each year? That makes up 25% of waste in landfills. These books aren't even recycled or reused. What if there was a way to actually use these books that are being wasted? This is where my business comes in. Welcome to Creative Book Folding. I make unique and customized books out of recycled and reused books for all occasions. Customer satisfaction is guaranteed from the creation of the pattern all the way through the completed product. My business concept is that I thrift the books for $1 to $5 a piece, and then I sell the books between $30 to $200 depending on the amount of time it takes and the complexity of the pattern. Each book is designed one page at a time. The pages are marked, cut, and folded, and color is added using cardstock. Customers can check out my website with over 200 book patterns that they can choose from, or they can personally contact me and design whatever they would like. Each book can take anywhere from 3 to 12 hours to complete. Customers can order their custom book through my Facebook or my official webpage. My marketing campaign. My target market is men and women of all ages, and books are created for all occasions, weddings, anniversaries, and many more. My financial situation. My sales have steadily increased on an average of $800 to $1,000 in monthly sales. Sales have increased almost 20% yearly. The cost to make the book is actually very low, so this provides excellent profit margins with little to no financial risk. Over the past 3 years, I've been able to make over $30,000 in selling my books. With your investment, I would be able to expand my market for creative book folding. I could put together more book displays in wedding venues or small shops across the state. Each display can take money to put together, but it would bring in a lot more revenue. I could also purchase my own pattern making program and work on setting up my own Etsy store. I would love to take my business to the next level and save more books from the landfill. Thank you so much for your consideration.